I mean, I've got my my Minions socks on today. I've got Kevin, Stuart, and Bob. I'm Brayden Crump. I'm a pediatric dentist here at Orchard Hills Pediatric Dentistry. I married my better 90%, Missy, and we have 3 kids, a daughter and 2 sons. They keep us busy and fill our lives with all sorts of learning experiences. I love it when I can help patients take pride in their health, in being healthy, and to be excited to not have cavities or be excited for a new tooth and just to be able to take pride in themselves. My approach to making patients feel comfortable, I'm not gonna lie, I'm not gonna sugarcoat it. Sometimes the stuff we have to do in dentistry is not the most enjoyable thing, but my goal is to be a teammate and to be on the same team as them. So I'm gonna level with them, whether they're 4, 5, 16, 17. Just wanna help them understand like this is gonna be difficult. It might be a little bit intimidating, maybe it might be a little anxiety inducing, but together we can get through it. I love seeing patients out in the wild, as what I would call it, you know, whether it's a grocery store or at school or pickup or anything like that. We love being a part of the community and being able to, it just helps us to feel more grounded and more connected. It helps me to feel as a better contributing member too, and to be able to feel a more personal connection to the community. A story that's been meaningful to me in my career as a pediatric dentist is there was a young patient, he actually shared the same first name. And so initially he was very hesitant and very apprehensive about the dental chair and about the dental environment. But we bonded over the fact we had the same name, and he was absolutely fascinated with the sprinkler system that we have in our office. And so he and I bonded over our name, and we bonded over our sprinkler system. And so we just got to sit and chat about how sprinklers work and how these ones work in here and how the ones outside in the grass work, and just to be able to connect with him. And then he ended up coming on a regular basis and would bring me a different sprinkler head each time. And we'd talk about whatever most recent sprinkler story we had. It had nothing to do with teeth or nothing to do with anything else, but it was an opportunity to help me to connect with him in a way that was completely personal and completely individual. And it was a really special time, and I hope Brayden is out there, and I wish him the best. Outside of work, I try to keep up with my kids and spend a lot of time with my family. We're big playground connoisseurs at this time, so it's really enjoyable to see how some of the mundane activities become pretty special when I get to do it with my children. And so just by doing some of those things and viewing those things through my kids' eyes, it makes it much more special. I'm gonna have to go with salty. I love appetizers. They don't stand a chance. I like spicy within range. I want to be able to taste the food still, so I don't eat things just for the spice, but I'm not going to shy away if there's spice involved.